Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel Sharang and Sharvil.
Yeah, and if you guys complained about the audio quality before, guess what? The audio might suck really bad today because we are literally out in public. We're in Mumbai, so you guys might hear a lot of traffic, a lot of wind, and of course we don't have mics because for some reason two people in their late 20s can't figure out how mics work. So yeah,
And we are in one of the world's most famous locations. I don't know the ranking, but I would say it's pretty famous. So we are on a small holiday. We are currently visiting Nariman Point in Mumbai, and the weather is amazing because for those who live in Mumbai or know about Mumbai, you guys might know that the weather is pretty humid all year round. But right now, I mean, it's December, it's the end of December, and so far the weather is very nice.
This is what December in India looks like.
Yeah, here's a small...
Where I'm in shorts.
Here's a small view of the beautiful sea that you have. And that's us, enjoying the sea.
Yes.
So I think this would be a nice time for us to connect with our subscribers. We want to know what you guys have as Christmas plans.
Yeah.
It is the long weekend, not a long weekend exactly, but it's a week in which work, I must be honest, is not done that much.
I mean, speak for yourself. I work hard all the time. Like,
yeah, I would say he works hard.
If my company members are listening, I work hard all the time.
But in my case, I am totally, lazy till the new year, and after that, I will, definitely start working in the year 2025 is what I've decided.
Yeah.
But yeah, we want to know where you guys have chosen to go on holiday, what you are doing this Christmas break, this New Year break. Do you want to add something, Shah?
Yeah, I just love looking at the ocean. Like, I think, can we flip the view from this?
I think we can.
No, so this is the ocean view that we have.
Beautiful sea there.
Right? And like, this is the, so this is one of the most famous points in Mumbai where a lot of Bollywood movies, have their shootings here, etc., etc. And people often come to this city to get away from the hustle and bustle of the crowds and just try to relax. And it's a pretty cosmopolitan place. We have been informed that this place is the Miami of India. So you can infer what you want about that based on the availability of products that are allegedly sold here or not. And soon we'll go to Wankhede Stadium. Wankhede Stadium is one of the places where Sachin Tendulkar, one of the best cricket players of all time and in the world, he's a batsman. This was his home ground. And like, as a person who grew up watching Sachin Tendulkar play on TV, this is truly a special occasion for me to be able to visit there and to be able to spend some time in the box. And we apologize for the disturbance. And yeah, that's it. I think
this is kind of a small catch up from our side, where if you guys have been wondering where we are, here we are in Nariman Point, Mumbai. And I think we have a clearer view of the sea, so we can show our subscribers what are we looking. The beautiful sunset that we see, accompanied by a view of me, which maybe you guys don't want to see because you see it all the time.
It has its disadvantages. So
but yeah, the sunset here is to die for, and that's what me and Sharang are doing. We are here on a small family function trip, I would say. And today we just had a day to ourselves in evening, I can see, and we have decided to choose this spot as our evening out. So we are just going to reconnect with each other till the new year starts and have a great time with each other. And till then, guys, stay tuned. Of course, we hope that you are having a great holiday time yourself, and we wish you a very happy new year in advance.
Yeah, try not to fight with your family. Bye.
Bye.
Like, share and subscribe.